Hello all, myself Jagan. In this video tutorial we'll be focusing on C++ programming. So let's get started with a simple hello world program. So I'll create a hello directory. I'll navigate to the hello directory. I'll be using Vim editor. So I'll say main.cpp. So let me include the IO stream. So IO stream header has all the input output related functionalities. Main being the entry point function for C or C++ program. So we'll be using cout to print hello world. So this is a literal string. Okay. So return 0. So the return 0 indicates to the operating system that everything went as expected. So it's a normal exit. So any normal abnormal termination, it can be indicated with a non-zero value. So let's save this program, and we'll be using GCC for all our compilation purpose. So GCC is the compiler. So I'll compile this way. So I got some error here. So it says at line number 5 we got some error. Let's get into the Vim editor. We'll see what is wrong in the line number 7. So to enable the line numbers, so we can use this command in VI editor. So I'll go to the line 5. Cout, and we've got a double quotes ending with a double quote, semicolon. Everything looks good. So what is missing here is using namespace std. So using namespace std says that cout being defined within the namespace standard. So either we need to qualify the cout where it is defined. So we have to say something like this every time we use any function or any class, anything that is defined within standard namespace like this, or we can indicate that we'll be using namespace standard, and then we can directly use those functions like this. Okay, let's see whether the compilation is through this time. We have saved it. We'll recompile. So this time the error seems to be different. So what is the error? It looks like there is a undefined symbol. So anytime we get an undefined symbol error, it indicates that we forgot to include some important library. So in this case, this happens to be standard std C++ library. So the L over here indicates we are linking the standard C++ library. So we'll see. Yeah. So the compilation went through. So the executable is a.out. Okay. So we'll execute a.out this way. Yeah. So we got the expected output, hello world. Okay. And then immediately our command prompt seems to follow. So which doesn't look nice, obviously. So we'll see how to get the line to the next following line, subsequent lines. Right? So we need to alter our program. Okay. So we got something called end line defined in the IO stream. So this is if you are coming from the C background. So this is similar to having a /n, so new line indicator. Okay. So we'll compile again. Okay. Let me clear the screen. So I have already compiled. It's okay. a.out. Okay. So now this time, after printing hello world, the command prompt cursor came to the next line as expected. So now this ends our first video tutorial. Thank you.